Wow, should I say, look at this camper coming in. Look at that. That is what's up right there, guys. Yes, sir. The camper. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Got the, man, right in the back of the truck. Man, you can't beat that.
Hours the way it is right now.
So what is this thing right here, bub? What do they call it?
This is called a solar generator made by EcoFlow, which is, and this one here is an EcoFlow Delta 2.
Nice.
It's expandable.
To another lithium.
It has what's called an X boost on it. The X boost will jump you up to 1800 watts. 18, I could be wrong, 18 or 2800 watts.
You can add solar to it.
Yes,
Yep.
it's meant to be hooked to a solar or
Nice.
not, either
Nice.
way.
Or a bending.
This will keep your refrigerator charging, your refrigerator at home at least 24 hours, the way this thing sits, and fully charged if the power goes out.
Wow. Amazing. Amazing. And right now it's running the AC
Yep, running the AC.
and the lights that go around. And then it has a ladder that you can just walk right up in. Bang.
Into.
With the lights. Also a TV. And where you have a fridge?
I don't have that yet.
But you can just put a chest in there.
Yeah, well, I'm
just
gonna
right
have
there.
a refrigerator.
Yeah, okay.
here.
Nice.
The trailer, the camper is 2 inches of styrofoam. The blue, the wall on the back is fiberglass insulation, just R12.
Okay.
The side walls are 1.5 inch stone foam insulation. The inside is Pacific Coast cedar. The kitchen.
Nice. Oh yeah, I forgot. He even has a badass kitchen setup. And here's the side. And this is just the GMC Sierra. That's it.
Between 400,000 and 600,000 miles.
Nice. And there is his kitchen.
My drawer, which I'm not done yet. I'm still in the process of building.
Still, man, that is.
And this is red cedar.
Okay.
And
you said this was your wife's?
this was my wife's cedar chest.
Okay, and he took it apart and he put this together.
100-plus-year-old
Nice.
cedar chest. She left for an hour.
Left for an hour, took it, and turned it into his kitchen. Gotta love it.
And if I want to cook inside, I do a little screen here.
Oh, and then you can put it on that lip right there in there.
I can put it right on the tailgate. I can put it anywhere I want.
Okay.
Let me get the dog's leash off of here. I can just take
Nice.
it
Yep.
and go
That's
over.
awesome. That is, man, that is so cool. So cool. Got his bed set up.
The dog's bed set up.
Yep, dog bed's right in the back.
And the back far right corner is going to have a homemade cubic mini wood stove.
Nice. So when it gets very, very cold outside.
Well, for daytime. At nighttime, I'm going to be putting in a Chinese diesel heater.
Ooh.
Which runs 1/4 gallon. If I'm not mistaken, it's every 12 to 16 hours.
Nice. And it just goes right on in there.
There. Kitchen's clean.
Yeah. Kitchen is clean, ready to go. And like I said, it's on a truck bed, dude.
Okay.
Like
Now,
off the
showed
chain.
you the back side, the front side of this. Okay. On the back side, it has, let me unplug. On the back side, you have a cigarette lighter.
Nice. Okay.
You can turn it on and off, so you're not wasting any extra battery. I can't remember the amperage, but you have your regular 3-plug, well, double with ground, and then just your doubles.
Nice, nice.
And it has its own circuit breaker.
And that's where you put your solar.
Yep, plug the solar in here. You might have to, depending on which one you have. And you can also charge this with another one of these cords here to the cigarette lighter.
Nice, nice.
So yeah, it works pretty well.
And how do you charge it?
Well, it's supposed to be charged right here with this cord.
Okay.
But I have it adapted.
Yep. To a
Regular, everyday,
outlet.
Mickey Mouse style plug.
Nice.
Male
and
plug.
and how long does that take to charge? You said
If I put it to 1200 watts, it'll charge it in 1 hour.
nice.
No beer yet. I didn't get my fridge in here yet.
Nice. And that thing is awesome,
The
man.
outside is all pine, and it was done with bears, cedar color. Oil stained.
Beautiful. What kind of roof does it have?
It's got plywood.
Is it metal?
Plywood.
Metal?
It's 1/2-inch plywood. Then I have road roofing, and then I have metal.
Nice.
And you go all the way to the front, so you can see how it will hold it down without ever getting ripped off.
Heck yeah.
And I've been at 90 miles an hour with it.
Okay. Heck yeah, man. And
I've got to
your
re-seam these. I haven't stained this yet. These are going to be brown.
Nice. Man, that is cool right there.
Don't trip over it.
That is awesome. Right there all day, every day.
And this is called the doghouse.
The dog house. Woo, woo, woo.